Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing wired or wireless. Plug a USB-C cable if you want the fastest setup, or enable Bluetooth in Windows for cable-free play. Make sure the controller has charge. Aim for at least 50% so it won't drop mid-setup. Once done, open Settings right arrow Update and Security and confirm Windows is current. Then install the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store so Windows recognizes the controller and lets you update firmware if required. You now connect. For wired, plug the cable into the controller and USB port and watch Windows auto-install drivers. Verify under Device Manager. For Bluetooth, hold the pairing button on the controller until the Xbox button flashes. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices right arrow Add Device and select the Xbox controller. Make sure to open the Xbox Accessories app afterward to update controller firmware and adjust button mappings or dead zones, because GTA V responds better with correct calibration. You finish by launching GTA V and navigating to Settings right arrow Controls right arrow Controller. Set input to Gamepad so the game uses your Xbox controller instead of keyboard input. Make sure any third-party mapping apps are closed to avoid conflicts. Once set, test movement and aiming in free roam. Adjust sensitivity and dead zones in both GTA and the Xbox Accessories app if aiming feels off. If the controller still won't work, try a different USB port or reinstall drivers. That usually fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.